Romantic gifts aren't just about spending money. They're about showing your wife how much you love, appreciate, and cherish her. In this video, I'll share 10 thoughtful and unique romantic gift ideas that will make her feel truly special. Whether it's for an anniversary, her birthday, or just because, these ideas are guaranteed to make her smile. Let's get started. 1. Customized jewelry. A necklace with your wedding date, a bracelet with your initials, or a ring with both your birthstones. Personalized jewelry makes her feel like it was made just for her, because it was. 2. Surprise weekend getaway. Plan a trip she's not expecting, even if it's just a nearby town or a cozy cabin. Arrange everything in advance and reveal it with a cute travel-themed gift. 3. Handwritten love letter. Write down the reasons you love her, your favorite memories, and your dreams for the future. Put it in a keepsake box so she can treasure it forever. 4. Year of dates, gift box. 12 envelopes, each with a planned date for the month, picnics, movie marathons, or concerts. A year's worth of romance in one gift. 5. Personalized star map. Show her how the stars looked on your wedding night, first date, or proposal day. Frame it with a romantic caption like, "The night our story began." 6. Luxury self-care kit. A plush robe, scented candles, bath oils, and her favorite skincare. Bonus points if you set up a spa experience at home so she can truly relax. 7. Memory photo book. Collect your favorite photos, vacations, family moments, candid selfies, and turn them into a beautifully printed photo album. 8. Cooking class together. Whether in person or online, learning something new together is fun and romantic. Plus, you get to enjoy the meal you make. 9. Personalized playlist. Curate a playlist of songs that tell your love story, from the track that played at your wedding to tunes that remind you of special moments. 10. Video memory montage. Gather videos and photos from your time together, add her favorite song, and create a short film of your journey as a couple. So there you have it. 10 romantic gift ideas for your wife that go beyond flowers and chocolates. The best gifts are the ones that show you put thought, love, and effort into them. Which of these would your wife love the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more thoughtful gift ideas every week.